Unpacking the Phrase, Packing Up Leftovers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the English language and unravel its mysteries one phrase at a time. Today, we're exploring a very common but intriguing phrase, packing up leftovers. Whether you're at a restaurant, a family dinner, or simply tidying up after a meal, this phrase is bound to pop up. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Packing up leftovers refers to the act of putting away unused or uneaten food after a meal. Leftovers are the food that remains after everyone has finished eating. They can be from a home-cooked meal, a party, or even a restaurant. Packing them up involves placing these leftovers in containers, usually for the purpose of storing them for future consumption. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. Here are a few scenarios where you might hear or use packing up leftovers. 1. After dining at a restaurant. Could we have a box for packing up the leftovers, please? 2. At home after a family meal. I'll start packing up the leftovers while you clear the table. 3. Planning for future meals. Let's pack up the leftovers. They'll make a great lunch for tomorrow. Key tip. When using this phrase, it's often accompanied by actions like grabbing containers, aluminum foil, or plastic wrap, indicating the practical step of preserving food. In many cultures, packing up leftovers is seen as a norm and is associated with values of frugality and sustainability. It demonstrates a respect for food and an effort to minimize waste. In contrast, in some social settings or cultures, taking leftovers home from a restaurant, for example, might be less common. Understanding these nuances can be very helpful in social situations. Packing up leftovers is more than just a phrase. It's a practice rooted in the wise use of resources and respect for food. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage in everyday English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but understanding the culture and practices behind them. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to pack up some new phrases along your learning journey. See you in the next video.